Welcome to our channel, Artificial Intelligence Apex Academy. Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming marketing? Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind AI marketing and exploring how it's shaping the industry. AI technology has transformed the way businesses analyze and predict customer behavior. It enables personalized marketing campaigns, optimizes strategies, and maximizes ROI. Chatbots powered by AI provide instant support, while AI-driven automation tools streamline tasks, saving time and resources. Personalization is key in modern marketing, and AI helps tailor content to individual preferences, increasing engagement and conversion rates. AI also plays a crucial role in analyzing social media data to understand consumer sentiment and behavior, allowing businesses to adjust their strategies accordingly. By leveraging AI technology, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and deliver more targeted, personalized marketing campaigns. Join the conversation and let us know how AI has impacted your marketing strategies. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for watching more informative videos.